Whew, it is a beautiful, brisk December afternoon here in Michigan, and what better day to talk about photography than a day when you've got the sun out, you've got blue skies, you've got that beautiful golden hour sunlight hitting those leaves, making those colors pop as it's transitioning from autumn to winter. It's just so beautiful, guys. So I thought today would be a great time to talk to you guys about how you can start making money with photography, selling your shots, whether it's portraits, landscape, street photography, whatever you take pictures of. I know it's been like 3 weeks since I uploaded a video last. I've been so busy with film school portfolios and making films for that, for the applications for grad school, so it's been really hectic. Also going to be heading off to Thailand next week for a week, so I'll be taking you guys along with that, so don't worry, you'll be getting a lot more consistent content from me. Now let's take some pictures. So change of plans, guys. My camera actually ended up dying when I was doing the B-roll sequence for the first part of this video, so I didn't get to finish it up, and that really just breaks my heart because somehow I didn't bring extra batteries. Everyone knows that it's just absolutely destroying when you get a really cool sequence that you're taking a video of and then you get that black screen with the battery dead symbol. So always make sure you guys have extra batteries charged and ready to go. M50 users, you guys will relate, especially because this camera just dies so quickly. So always make sure you guys have extra batteries. That said, like I said before, we're going to be talking about how you guys can begin to make money with photography, selling your prints, selling your portraits, whatever you like to take pictures of in 2019, and also how you guys can begin to maximize that investment you've made in that new camera and that new glass. Before we get into that, guys, if you could go ahead and do me a solid, go down below, tap that red subscribe button, hit it, bang it, man, whatever you're into. Just helps the channel grow. And I think I saw like last time 60% of people who viewed my content weren't subscribed, so if you guys could do that, I would really appreciate it. So let's get right into it. So photography is an art form, and just like any other art form, there's people who like to collect it, people who like to make it, people who like to trade, etc. So there's people who like to buy canvas prints, buy portraits, buy landscape photos, you know, all different types of photos are sold and traded. So today I'm going to be talking about how I started making money with my prints. So you guys might find some things to be a little different, or you guys might know of better methods. Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below to help other people out as well. With that being said, we're going to hop right over onto the computer and I'm going to show you guys how I sold my first print. Hey guys, so we're just going to hop over here to the computer. Sorry in advance for the audio quality. I know it's not going to be quite as good as my vlog stuff because I don't have an external mic for my computer yet, so just bear with me for right now. Anyway, this is the shot that I ended up selling last month. It's just this greetings from Detroit, Michigan sign, which was taken downtown Detroit. It was snowing that day, so there was some cool snow in the background, and then there was this puddle here which didn't quite pull off the reflection effect that I wanted, but nonetheless still looks pretty cool. It's also my last upload on Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Go over there, follow me. Link is down in the description, or my @name, whatever. Anyway, so I just ended up including, or upping the saturation rather, and playing with the S curve a bit, playing with the other sliders, HSL, and voila, that was pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. And so I ended up going over to Reddit and just uploading it because I thought it looked cool, to the Detroit subreddit. So depending on what you're taking a picture of, this is an option. Also, I know I have a lot of tabs open, so you don't need to comment that. I for some reason, I like to have things really close to me. Anyway, so whatever you're taking a picture of, you know, you can just upload it to a relevant subreddit. And in this case, someone actually ended up really enjoying my picture and they wanted to buy it off me, which I thought was really weird because I didn't think this was that good of a shot. But anyway, they wanted to buy it. And so I had never sold a picture before, obviously, so I had no idea what I should be selling it for, you know, what's a good price, what's a bad price. A bunch of people were basically just telling me to go with what I felt like my work and my time was worth, because it wasn't a crazy difficult edit or anything. I just ended up charging about 15 bucks, which I still don't know if that was a good deal for them, a bad deal for me, whatever, but it is what it is. So that is an option. There's also other subreddits where you can upload your work to, such as the I took a picture subreddit. So this is like if you have a Reddit account and you're comfortable sharing images there. And there's some really dope creators here. Like for example, this shot is just absolutely insane. I just love that. It looks so dystopian. But yeah, you could, you know, share your images to a site like Reddit. There's also Facebook forums, of course. There's other websites, Facebook groups, all that good stuff. You can share your photos to, and you could do one of several things. You can just tell people straight up, like, you know, this image is for sale, or I do prints, I do other types of photographs, whether it's portraits, landscapes, whatever, and you can put like a business email in there. That makes you look really professional, and I think personally people will be really attracted to somebody who has that in their bio, so people know that you're, you know, serious about selling your work. And you can also just put it up like I did, and I mean, if it's good, somebody might want to buy it. In my experience, I think these are the best ways to go about selling your work and making money with photography. Since we have Instagram these days, Instagram is another way where you guys can make money with your photographs. Speaking of Instagram, I have tons of pictures here that I really should upload to Instagram because they're taking up a ton of space on my computer and nobody's seeing them. But anyway, that pretty much wraps up the computer portion of this video, so we're gonna head back over to the camera because I know you guys miss my beautiful face so much. Alright guys, like I said earlier, there's so many various ways of selling your photography, of making money with the stuff you take pictures of. So I hope today was really informative for you guys and you guys took something away. Just to recap, there's Reddit, there's Instagram, there's Facebook groups, there's Facebook pages, there's tons of other web forms like Flickr, Imgur. You know, upload a picture there. If somebody likes your work, they'll contact you, or even advertise that you do prints and just show off examples of what you'd like to take pictures of. And if it's good, people will take notice. If you keep uploading consistent content, just like with YouTube or anything else in life, people will take notice. So once again, I hope you guys found this video to be extremely informative. If you did learn something, or if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Or if you guys have experience using other methods to make money with your photography, feel free to share. Also, go ahead and click that red subscribe button, smash it, tap it. Like I said, it doesn't matter what you're into, just get that thing clicked, man. Click that like button as well. So like I said before, guys, I am going to be heading to Thailand and LA this weekend for a week, so it is going to be absolutely incredible in terms of jet lag. I'm gonna be so tired. I feel tired for myself already, but it is a place where I've always wanted to go. It's gonna be a lot warmer than Michigan right now, that's for sure. So I'm really excited, and if I can't get another video up before then, I'll definitely have plenty of Thailand content for you guys, so be sure to be on the lookout for that. Speaking of travel stuff, if you guys didn't see my 5 things Americans should know before visiting the UK, you can click up above to the right for that. And yeah, that's it guys. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.